There we go. Good morning, comrades. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the Green Hell. And welcome back. No, actually the first time. No, not the first time, but the first time with Robert and the 620R. So let's hop in and yeah, do a lap, obviously. What else we're going to do? We're not going to do groceries. Usually we would, but Brightshot exit is closed, so no grocery run today. No. So just, oh yeah, 4-seat points, 4-point harnesses. It's going to be a bit difficult. 6. Oh my god, I got to learn how to count. I'm sure.
You only have to clip 4 in it.
Yeah, that's right. I confused it. The link is in the bottom. There we go.
There.
And here you have a strap so you can pull it close. I think it's just extra weight, but
it doesn't matter. I'm slow.
On the other hand, it's also a bit inconvenient with all the metal parts and then bare carbon
fiber. Yeah, it really is a problem. We've PPF'd a lot of the stuff on the inside, but you can't really PPF the entire inside of the car.
Yep. Okay, first kits, the sides. Make sure that the side is strapped in. And then we do the top. But this is actually very handy. I like that.
Yeah.
You can put your hands or fingers through it. Okay.
Alright.
Oh, can we take the iron off? Or no?
It's pretty fancy though.
Okay. Well, leave it as is then.
What do you guys think? Should we keep the RN or should we take it away?
Let us know in the comments, and by then we'll be already late.
You know, GoPro has a live feature.
I know, but we're not allowed to do live videos on the Nürburgring.
We're not on the Nürburgring
yet. Oh well.
I could take it off. It's just a lot of...
Yeah, a lot of suction cups. That's fine. People know how the Nürburgring looks like,
yeah.
I guess, by now. Otherwise, go check out some other videos and come back. So, how have you been? How have you been, first of all?
I've been good. Yeah.
Good.
I've been taking a YouTube break.
Yeah, a lot of people have been complaining that, where are you? They were like, becoming worried about you not being on YouTube's.
Yeah, I wasn't even doing much on Instagram even.
No.
Because it was just taking it easy all the way around. But we took a little time off. We spent some time in Italy. When I came back and said I'm back from Italy, I then went back to Italy. And I'm back now, and I'm leaving in 2 hours to go to Italy.
And then I will be going to you on Monday.
Yeah.
And it will be full thunderstorms according to weather predictions. Yay! Looking forward to that.
You gotta bring the heat.
Yeah, bring the heat. We're always lit.
Yeah, so for me, I really do enjoy videos and the comment sections and doing all that with everyone, but there's also a lot of other things that I have going on.
Yep.
I need to try and stay on top of. And so now hopefully after this we're going to do some laps with the Pista, because I'm selling the Pista. So it goes on Monday to Frankfurt Ferrari, and they put it up for sale. So I'm going to do my last laps with it today. And of course I'm going to take it easy because, you know, that's the last thing you want to do is
before the sale.
So I'll sell the Pista. Today will be the last lap, so we'll do some videos on that. I actually want to talk about tire pressures. I got the really cool Michelin Cup Connect, the tire, and then the Cup Connect sensor. And I'm going to show a camera on the tire pressure or temperature gauge, and you can see how the temperatures will go up in each turn live. So I'm excited about that.
Nice.
It'll be kind of cool, huh?
Interesting, yeah. Yeah, other than that, it's probably one of the last, well, probably not one of the last, what am I talking about? I want to say one of the last beautiful weather weekends at TF, but knowing how the weather is at the Nürburgring, we're probably in October we're gonna have some rain,
lucky, yeah.
And then in November and December is gonna be full sun, hopefully. We'll see, but yeah.
Yeah, the Nürburgring hasn't released any December dates yet, have they?
No, it's, yeah, I think they're gonna make a decision still, but I'm sure that they would like to catch up on the season. So as long as weather is permitting, there would be definitely some extra TF laps, some extra seasoning.
So what lap ticket should we use today?
Ooh, good question. Well, I'm not a taxi passenger, but so I guess we're just friends.
We're going private today.
Yeah, we go private. Beep beep. And we're good to go.
So we got brand new tires on it.
Yep. And we have brunch in yellow.
Switching yellow, brand new tires. So first I'll scrub them in a little.
Sure.
Make sure they're not too slippery.
I'm good with that. Do I need to do manual record?
Oh yeah, might as well record this one since it's in the way of everybody, right?
Yeah.
Come to my channel. This will be on there. 2 days before Misha's. I got the whole video right here.
Yep.
In 1080.
Oh, 1080.
Yeah.
Wow, external camera. awesome. It's such a great car. I mean, when you got it, a lot of people ask like, so what's faster, this or GT2 RS? To which GT2 obviously, but I must say this is actually more emotional because you feel everything shaking. Like, I honestly never have experienced in my life that the harness itself would vibrate. So because it's like so everything interconnected. So you have actually a nice collarbone massage. That's what I wanted to say. it's pretty interesting. So it's just gonna be a barrier repair here, so it's all good. And off we go again. Well, yeah, unfortunately, this lap was a bit eventful, but nevertheless. McLaren did a very good job by looking at ring tractor and making everything so shaky. Yeah, so it's good. I'm very happy to assist all the manufacturers with their R&D. Other than that, it was a very cool lap. Like I said, it's definitely a very emotional car, a lot more emotional than GT2 RS. Well, I mean, that's why you have to compare it to it by yourself. But this is definitely something different on a whole another level. Yeah, and a reminder, this is a taxi on limited days, so you can go out with Robert for $3.99, I believe.
Including video.
Including video, yes. Including Robert as well.
Yeah, we're doing half-hour windows, so it's not rushed.
Yeah.
It's like come check out the car, cruise around, do stuff. Yeah.
Yeah, it's cool. Definitely worth it. Oh, smell some burnt brakes. Because Audi in front of us. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's been very cool. Unfortunately, some yellows here and there, but they didn't break the fun because it gave us also time to... it smells really bad.
Yeah, it smells really bad.
Yeah.
I don't think yellow flags are that bad on the Nürburgring.
No, definitely not.
Actually, you know, you're not going out trying to set records. There's traffic anyways. Sometimes it's a nice point for the brakes to cool down. I mean, there's like 6 up in that Audi, so you know, what do you expect? I don't think you could take an S3 around the track without smoking the brakes, let alone
with six people
in it. Yeah. So.
Oh well, guys, thanks for watching. See you next time, probably in the pista then, where we're going to go for our last lap.
Our last lap, we're going to do a nice cruise, teary-eyed.
Yep.
Pista lap.
Ah, well.
And then in 2 weeks, you're going to see it back in the barn.
Stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching. Bye.